which this university was founded. Truth, excellence, and service. The Gawad Sulu, or in English, the Torch Award. At siguro nakita niyo yung malaking torch doon kanina sa pagpasok niyo sa PNU. It's what we call the Torch Monument. It's more than just a recognition. It symbolizes the light of knowledge, integrity, and commitment that our alumni carry into every classroom, every school or institution, and every community they touch, wherever they are in the country or in the world. We know that our alumni are all over the world. Sino nga bang university or institution ang merong regular alumni homecoming?
Educational Leadership, Dr. Cecil G. Caranda. Dr. Melanie P. Estacio. Dr. Marie Culsi Lango. Mrs. Sarah O. Maxino. Dr. Gary Z. Regala. Mr. Sonny M. Reyes. Dr. J.N. D. Rosal, to be represented by Mr. Carlo S. Patricio.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. The Gawad Sulu for Eminent Alumni Educational Leadership category recognizes alumni whose remarkable achievements and contributions are in line with educational leadership and management within the Philippine educational system. Guided by the core values of truth, excellence, and service instilled during their time at PNU, they have served in various capacities within colleges and universities, the Department of Education, the Commission on Higher Education, and other institutions. Through their dedication, they have facilitated innovations and advancements in the country's educational system through policy making and reforms. It is my pleasure to introduce this year's recipients of the Gawad Sulu for Eminent Alumni Educational Leadership. Dr. Cecil G. Caranda. Dr. Melanie P. Estacio. Dr. Maricol C. Lango. Mrs. Sarah O. Maxino. Dr. Gary Z. Regala. Mr. Sonny M. Reyes. Dr. Jan-Ann V. Rosal, represented by her cousin, Mr. Carlo S. Patricio.
One, two, three. Inang Pamantasan, Philippine Normal University. Inang Pamantasan, mabuhay ang Philippine Normal University.